In this video tutorial, we will go over where you can find all of the information about your practice experience requirements for your course. When you first gain access to your course, there will be a section right before all of the Week 1 details that will be titled Practice Experiences. You might see different links listed under this section. The required documents link, a nursing presentation hall, and any other links that might be pertinent to help you with the PE credit. The Nursing Presentation Hall is available in courses where you can watch previous nursing presentations for PE credit. If you click on the Required Documents link, you will be guided to a separate page that contains all the required PE documents that you will need. The Practice Experience Guide gives an overview of the PE requirements and what is required of students, and most importantly gives specifics about all of the Castle Branch requirements. There is a Quick Start Guide for each degree. The Quick Start Guides provide important information about the PE requirements for each course. It is in the Quick Start Guides that you can find the specific PE assignments for each course. Therefore, if you're looking for the PE assignment for an MSN course, you're going to click on the MSN Quick Start Guide. The 2 forms that you will fill out for each course are also found in the Required Documents link. The Request for Practice Experience form is due in Week 1 of each PE course. The Request for Practice Experience is your plan to complete all the PE hours in that course. The Practice Experience Record will be due in Week 8 of each PE course. This is simply a record of all of the hours that you completed in the course. The Preceptor Packet is necessary for students in the MSN and DNP degrees. Students will choose a preceptor for their specialty courses in their degree. The Preceptor Packet can be presented to potential preceptors to give them more information about their role. There is also a preceptor exception form for students who are requesting a preceptor that does not meet the minimum qualifications. In addition, students can find resources and information about practice experience hours in the Student Center. There is a section titled Practice Experience Resources in the Student Center. In this section, students can find information about their Castle Branch profile, specifically about specifics of their clinical requirements in Castle Branch. Even when students are not in courses, they can also access the required PE documents link to get a head start on what they need for their PE hours. It is also in this section that you can find that preceptor request form that will be needed for your specialty courses.